Hello everybody, today we will be covering the Redragon K554 Mitra. This keyboard is a full keyboard. There are multiple RGB effects on this keyboard, making it a great value. I will be showing how to change them later on, directly from the keyboard or via the software that this keyboard has. Here is just a demonstration of some of the RGB effects that this keyboard has. You change the RGB effects by pressing the FN key and the other keys assigned to the RGB on this keyboard. So the keyboard has a software, but the only problem is that the only software it has is in Portuguese. But if you understand a bit of Spanish or French, you'll get your way through it. And even English you could see, and you could just mess around, and you could also assign macros to different keys, and overall it's really easy to use and fun software. This keyboard features a Blue Oetemu switch. This switch is excellent for typing, and it is a wannabe Cherry MX Blue switch, but I recommend it fully. I barely do any mistakes while typing, and it is really good for gaming too. It includes a keycap puller and a switch remover. The keycaps are very similar to double shot keys, but they are not. But I would really recommend them. They are really good for typing, and I find them extremely soft and durable. Here's a little sound test of this amazing keyboard. All around, for the price of $50 or $45, this keyboard is a great value. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you.